ok. Estamos transmitiendo en vivo. Sí, señor. Okay, we are broadcasting live right now. Let me check. Okay. Just to see. We are doing well. We're about to go live. We are about to start. Estamos transmitiendo en vivo. Okay, we're about to start with this new to the crypto universe. Today is this is Javier Orozco broadcasting live from the beautiful city of Monteria, Colombia, and it is time for another crypto news. So I'm bringing this important news for you to check it out in case you are part of this crypto universe. This is something you must know because at the end of the day, it is something quite relevant for you to know all about this crypto universe. In that way, you can make many more intelligent decisions when it comes to the crypto universe. So, as you know, this community, this channel is all dedicated to this crypto universe. So if you know somebody else who may be interested in this kind of news, please share this video with him or her so that that person can be interested in these topics. Let me see. This is crypto news. I'm sharing this crypto news with some other people as well. So you, which are you who are in the watching this live, you who are watching this live, please share, hit the share button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button as well, so that so many more people can also, so that you can know more about this, and you may be interested in the near future if you are not yet part of this crypto universe. So I am setting everything here, just in case nothing is coming out perfect. So remember, this is live, so we must do some adjustments here. And the news for today is quite relevant for you because it has to do with the adoption, and it is all about this state of Arizona in the US, in which people, these politicians are trying to get interested in this kind of new, let's say, stuff, the new economy, if you will. So I'm gonna share this. Let me see if I can do it. Okay, get the link. Remember, we are live from YouTube, and we are also live from Instagram. So I'm going to share this with the people in YouTube. I'm gonna share this as well with the people in Telegram. So they may be interested about this topic. So I'm going to share, hit the share button, share, sharing is caring. We all need to share this stuff. And I'm also going to share this on YouTube, I'm going to share this on Facebook. Let's see. Facebook and Twitter. So Arizona seeks to recognize Bitcoin as a legal tender. So if you are very familiarized with this kind of news, you find this very important because this kind of news are quite relevant inside the crypto universe when politicians tend to, let's say, legalize these kind of cryptocurrencies, because at the end of the day, they are the ones who are making the laws inside the countries. And in this case, the news is in the state of Arizona in the US. So, the US is quite relevant in this crypto universe. It is a really, really big market, and you cannot turn your head to other side while this is happening in the US. So you need to be aware that this is happening and that it is very important for this crypto universe. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen so that the people on YouTube can see this news. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this. So just let me hit the share button. And it says Arizona new bill seeks to recognize Bitcoin as legal tender. Well, it says that Senator Wendy Rogers introduced a bill that would allow Arizonans to use Bitcoin to pay for debt, public charges, taxes, and more. Arizona could adopt Bitcoin as its legal tender if a new bill is passed. Senator Wendy Rogers has introduced a legislative proposal numbered SB 1341 that would seek to amend the Arizona revised statutes to include Bitcoin as a form of legal tender. The project would seek to add the main cryptocurrency to the list of legal tender currencies in that state, allowing its citizens to pay debts, public charges, taxes, and other fees with Bitcoin. Okay, the presentation mentions Bitcoin specifically without referring to other digital currencies. The document identifies it as a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency held on the Bitcoin blockchain. He also draws attention to Bitcoin mining, noting that new units are generated by the computational solution of mathematical problems, and warns that Bitcoin works outside of central banks. Arizona, Bitcoin law could face legal challenges. In the opinion of some observers, it is highly unlikely and even questionable that the bill will succeed due to legal reasons. The U.S. Constitution expressly prohibits individual states in the country from creating their own legal tender. So no state may enter into treaties, alliances, or confederation, grant marquee and retaliation cards, mint coin, issue letters of credit, convert into currency for the payment of debts, anything other than gold and silver. This is from the constitutions in the US. So the coinage clause of the Constitution means that the power to determine what is and what is not legal tender in the United States rests solely with Congress. Preston Byrne, a partner in the Anderson Kill law firm, explained in his regard, if enacted, would be largely symbolic. The attorney added that he sees the legislation as unlikely to have a significant impact on the use of Bitcoin in the state. If passed, for example, He does not consider that the regulation could change the legal treatment of Bitcoin as property from a federal tax perspective. He also said that he does not believe that he can force his citizens to accept Bitcoin in a constitutionally acceptable manner. More generally, the United States does not consider Bitcoin legal tender. The Internal Revenue Service, ERS, considers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to be a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and or a store of value. Does not have legal tender status in any jurisdiction. On the other hand, the proposal could also find rejection among legislators. The bill must pass the Arizona State Senate and House of Representatives before Governor Doshi can sign it into law. Rogers, a Republican who took office in early 2021, is a controversial figure who has ties to the anti-government group Oath Keepers and who praised the conspiracy theory group QAnon. So Arizona seeks to be a crypto-friendly state. Senator Rogers has already promised in September that she will work to make Arizona a crypto-friendly state. She was appointed a member of the Blockchain and Cryptocurrency Study Committee, she announced on Twitter. And remember that this past year, 2021, El Salvador introduced a law that recognized Bitcoin as legal tender, along with the US dollar. So far, it is the only country in the world that has made cryptocurrency an official currency. So this is all that I want to share with you today about this adoption news. So I think this is quite relevant for you to know. And as a matter of fact, these news are very, very, very exciting to have. So I'm leaving you in a couple of seconds. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.